Hello beautiful people, welcome to another episode of NaijaFoodTube. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I make my delicious beef stir fry. Stir fry, I believe, is an Asian introduction into the rich, vast coloring experience all over the world, and it's something I've grown to love so much. For this stir fry, I'll be using the following. I'm using green bell pepper, red bell pepper, onion, some mixed fruits. It's optional though if you don't want. I'll be using some thinly sliced beef, some carrot, seasoning cubes, some salt to taste, and of course garlic ginger powder. And I'll be using this beautiful puro extra virgin olive oil, all-purpose flour. I'll be using sesame oil, some soy sauce, dark soy sauce, some oyster sauce, and a little twist to it, some shito pepper chili sauce for that extra bite and spiciness. And of course, my scallions. To begin, I would add some salt into my meat. Not too much. And my seasoning cubes. Then add some of my olive oil. A pinch or two of my powdered garlic ginger mix. I'll mix with my hand. I'll add my poi poi chili pepper sauce. It's actually a shito kind of black pepper rather. And continue mixing. I want to make sure my shito pepper sauce really penetrates the meat. I'll grease my fry pan with some groundnut oil and heat it up for a few minutes. I'll add my all-purpose flour into my beef and mix thoroughly and gently lower them into the fry pan and begin my stir-fry journey. You have to keep stirring and frying briskly until the meat is done. I would advise you to do this for about 5 to 10 minutes. I'll set my fried meat aside into a plate. Then to my veggies, I'll begin the overall stir fry process by adding my carrots. It takes more time to caramelize. I'll begin with it alone. Add my onions. I'll add my green bell pepper and red bell pepper. And as you can see, the colors are coming together. They are all making sense. You know, variety is the spice of life. You have red, orange, yellow. I'll add some salt to taste. And continue stir frying the vegetables. At this point, I'll add my ginger garlic powder. I'll add my sesame oil to give it that Asian bite and feel, and mix it in thoroughly. I'm really liking the look of this, you know. So colorful. I'll add my soy sauce. Yeah, not too much so it doesn't overpower every other lovely flavor of the vegetable. And of course, I'm going to add my premium oyster sauce as well. And mix it in. It's going to smell so beautiful, like those beautiful Asian cuisines. At this point, I would like to add my mixed vegetable and my spring onions or scallions, whichever you want to call it. I'll bring in my meat. Remember the meat we fried much earlier on. I'll add it in and mix. I prefer it this way, but some people like to, add some liquid to it, and so they use a secret liquid. And guess what that secret liquid is? Don't worry, comment on it, asking me, and I'll share with you what that secret ingredient is. But anyway, you can just add in some more oil or whatever, but if you really want that secret ingredient, please comment below asking me, then I will send it to you. I'm really loving the look of this. It's looking beautiful. My stir fry is ready to be eaten. Now you can eat this stir fry ordinarily. You can eat it with rice, you can eat it with yam, you can serve it with your coconut rice, anything. With your noodles, they work very well with noodles as well. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this time with me today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell beside it to get more videos like this. Alright, bye bye.